Ensa na Eyemo yabono butuku mwanchu muligire bwetaseni kia Ndizi TV litukulia Jumapili chitariki 15 na bere chomutenyo kianda mwaka gwechiri 2023 sentunda endo mwanchu muligire tokomera na sembe tonyara ko batoko manyania mange nganyale ko bagwateka kuruba kitego ikira chinga kibune chia sende no gosembelinga nogenda tokabo kwego kia nemerobelio ao ingegenda tokabo gochera imegeta seni kia Ndizi TV. Karibu sana nyale ko bagosanga amona intwe anene chinga ki abasaki baito bamangana maye bagenda tokoba bakweneke ngabebusuire sebinyoro amakori na kweneke ngabanyale ko bako yasangereria na into twakoretaraga na buna libo elimo elinde toneke ngakwanyalire ko bagokwemanya kerali tuko anene chinse merongo ebere na inya naboigo amatuko atano na kaberekera wiki. Karibu sana literana ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi ngwira nande maga yege kagetari getambe linde tunyara ko batoko manyania amonaye na kenyare ko bagwateka. Ekanye bono mwanchu muligalia aboigo inyoranga Amayia yemaragoba ya bono na bukunyara koba goko ya buati ya gwetera se mitandao ya ito litangani pigwetera senchera ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo gwetera se ensemo elia ya YouTube buna Ndizi TV News ulio gendeza kwa kwenekia buna elio gine chibiche chinchigenda kwa chikogochera senchera yoboikira no maragoba ya bono nigakoro kwa Abigaili Nyanchama togo chaka kurua se county ya Kisii ase kiombegia top talent agency kurua ase Ensa ya America kegendre toko bagego ikirania emerobelio ao imeyense ya Kenya gati yabo kweneke buna banyale ko bagutarira chisukuru na boigo chi university elio kwena na amagelio ao naki abana abamura na boiga baiseke babona toko baba kweneke buna banyale ko baboigo bakutwara obumanyi igoro yechisegi ichiria chirengete egenga seboigo omwana nyaruka na boigo omwana omusubati asemya kemenge anyarire koba gakunererwa na boigo gotigwa isiko semerobelio litukulia lero nige kyombeke kenyara koba gegwikirana se skuru ya baiseka ya kereri yego toka ime county ya Kisii asebanyara koba komerana amuna borokia na borokiwa boigo na babwatani abechisemi elio kwenekia buna emerobelio samegire yabo anyare koba gwikira chinyaruka echo ime skuru eyo ya kereri musakyo ito mangana Amayia binilrede mumanyi na nyara kwa wikirana ase skuru ya baiseke ya kireri na boigotoletera orobotiro kubwatia
kiombegia top talent agency kurwa Ensa ya America nigo kia watiranene kiombegia civil tours and travel mensi ya Kenya ase okora itaro yabo ase jiskuru kyoboroso cha secondary amone chechi university aso kurwa obosemia na boigo kurwa obokonyi au gocha se aborokiwa bago kwana ime skuru ya baisike ya kirelini gobano batebire ekirenga kyabo anena mono ime Ensa ya Kenya.
So we're here today to motivate and inspire and educate the girls of the Kareri School. We've been very impressed with them for some time. This is our second visit to the school. We brought speakers, authors, writers, experts to come here and to give them words of wisdom, words of encouragement, and help them with critical thinking skills and really help them with their education and their growth. We've seen over 11,000 students just this week alone from all ages. And at those different schools, we'll do things like computer libraries, water tanks. Sometimes we're sponsoring and offering scholarships for some of the students. The crowd behind me, the experts behind me, they sponsored 7 students just at the Manga School for Girls alone.
Nigo batebire gati emechandelia babire bakwenekia abarukiwa bagwetera gati yabo emechando yechisegi cha nyumba gati yande amange ase baba kwanire buna babwenerete kwerusia ase emechando buniyo
enkeri kiraba gukwana mangana abo gender based violence amangana mental health okonyora omwana Gusii yakumanya ebintu biri agwetera bokonguboli nonyo bwa masomo na bari school gari ngonya bari kwetera nende importantly abana bange over 100 banyorire sponsorship na scholarships na hizo networks bago chikokora internships chinze chiche school.
Extremely passionate about supporting women in gender-based violence, empowering them through self-defense, protecting their mind, their body, and their voice. And in talking to the girls, the other issue that seems really important to address is access to feminine hygiene products. I learned is that the men voiced the fact that they felt abandoned.
Umuteneri o Civility Tours and Travel niga kwanire gatiaria aborokiwa bakonyekire nase batebire aborokiwa nigo bagweneire bosemya buno boiga byo gukora uya ase amasoma abo.
Abana babiri bagoye scholarships, abande babiri bakogo bosomi, abande bayirwe bitabu na nonyechi skuru chinde buna Nyamira nja gachirwe geita naika Namanga girls ili kutoka Nyamira na ereka egwa etanki na aba nebinte binde buna biri abana banyaruka batagete focus babwate na abana kubakonya
aya togoso aya abana bagosoma kwega nigara yengenje mono besides kali bagosoma kirasi mbaga nitiaya egende libanyale kumanyanga ekarwaso kreskali ningi uboneta gukora
niga omwarimu omonene bwe skuru yo yakireria gokera egitambukirekyo ase boiga tebire nigo barachi kubwaterana elio gokonya aborokiwa ase boigo gati aborokiwa batabisa omogokobo na gwakambuya guchase ekyumbekyu
kind of mentorship programs twakwalao chigo cha school gokonya chira abana baiga kumanyanga ngakibara kore ba kamchi challenges chekaro chikero kendo chia bacheire so that bache koba very successful in life boetera this information abagani baito batoreteire naende na mangana maya batoreteire by providing with the resources na batoko baira ni nambia mono asenge nchogocha banyako baba gotokonya banyako baba gotobwatesia we have become partners.
This event has empowered us as young girls who are growing up to be women in the society. It has not only taught us to be good women, but responsible women. When we grow up in the dynamic society, we will contribute positively to...
Ulipotalia egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, iletaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Bienvenido sana masakio itu wa mangana Amayia Mildred Momanyi saroboti urwase nchire wikiranu kurwase skuru ya baiseke ya kirelie gutoka Eyemo County ya Kisii togusuka mutwe magiga yogotenigwa na boigo gochorwa koba omoteneni bwechikanisa cha Anglikani asorosagia rwa apa Southern Nyanza bono nigo mo Bishop John Mangi anyara kobaga gochaka emeremo ya yebene lituko lya rero gago kwana gochia asinyomba cyuburalia nigo John anyare koba boigo gakubulia omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto anyare kobaga kwenekiwire bitambukiro gati yabo kwenekia anene ekerengo gusaligoria mabuta rigenda tokoba ligo kina sobwango iga lianyare koba likwira nanse.
As a diocese, we take emphatic note of the suffering and hardship that our people are going through, especially due to the tough economic times. We are praying for the affected families and urge the government to find clear strategies to reduce the cost of living. Our prayers are also with the victims of insecurity, especially in Kisii and Nyamira Counties, and support the efforts being put in place by the security agencies to improve the security in our society. We also urge members of the public to cooperate with the national and county governments' measures that they are putting in place in response to the forthcoming El Nino rains. As a church, we shall play our role in complementing the policies of the government on the same. We encourage all of us to look to God, who is our only daily sustainer, who is able to turn around the difficult circumstances. May we be encouraged by God's assurance given to us in the words in Philippians chapter 4, verse 19. We encourage all of us to put our hope in God, who is alone in control of any hard challenges that we may face.
Biamono ntore nogo semeria buna anene birero ebyo byabarai aogati abo abakenya buna ligo liria mabuta lianyare ko baligo kina nabo igo koirera ogokonga kwobugima mbinyare ko bikuigwekana anene no boteneneri bwa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Togoska mutunere omo Prime Cabinet Secretary w'ense ya Kenya Musalia Mudavadi rituko lia rero na nyarako bagakora omoyiga bwo emyaka 10 erinde gochengera obokoreri bwe kiombe kelia kia Red Cross gagukwana kurwa ase Ecology Insurance ime county ya Nairobi nigo Mudavadi anyareko bagakorera ubuya bwa nyareko bagokorekana kubwatukana obokoreri bwe kiombe ekyo kia Red Cross gati yabo kwenekia buna kia nyareko kwenana aneno bokonyi bwendagera gochia ase county chiri chanyareko bachigotwara enchara kubwatikana anene no murakera omotambe onyareko bokorekana ase county echo.
Composed of 192 national societies constituting 14 million volunteers worldwide, prepared, committed and ready to respond to disasters and crises at local, national and regional scale. With this massive infrastructure, the Red Cross and Red Crescent work holds a special place in the annals of the African continent. Whether it is for want of healthcare, food, water, or blood, you are the front line of risk in most hostile environments and in marginalized and hard-to-reach communities. Unfortunately, the continent continues to experience recurrent man-made and natural disasters that lead to massive death, huge population displacements and movement, and painful disruption of people's livelihoods. More than any other organization, I dare say, you are responsible for keeping Africa fed, treated, and alive. You are an integral part of the target to enhance the resilience of communities to climate change. With the precision of meteorological warning, predictability, you are on the front line of spreading awareness that despite Africa being the least contributor to global emission, and by extension climate change, we bear the brunt of the effects in the form of extreme weather events such as heat wave.
Ase omuyego ibo igogatia bali banyarako bagwikirana no mokonyi bumunyakero bwe kiombe ekyo ase senki mabolachi akrani okurwa sensi ya Nigeria oyibo igo onyarako bagagosegeta obuya bwe kiombe ekyo nabo yokwenekeria omo Prime Cabinet Secretary w'ense ya Kenya Musalia Mudavadi buna obotenene bwe kiombe kimpochiko bokwenekia buna bwanyareko bokorwa obokonyi boisaine gochia ase county ao imeyense ya Kenya nabo igo orongo Africa anene kwenekia buna banyareko bagosira abantu bali obwate okogania ao.
The Pan-African Conference is one of the key statutory meetings of the International Federation of the Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies. Our last conference was held in Abidjan, Ivory Coast in 2017. And if not for COVID-19, which taught us many lessons that are very useful, we should have held this one in 2021. Having expressed that this is an important statutory meeting of IFRC, I would like to emphasize that the importance of this conference goes beyond its statutory value. It offers a platform for us to engage, share experiences, and develop a shared approach to addressing the various challenges facing Africa now and into the future. Distinguished delegates, I have no doubt in my mind that you are all aware of the challenges that confront our people from the north to the south, from the west to the east of the continent. Issues around food insecurity, climate change and its impacts, conflicts that virtually affect every corner of this great continent. And as a movement, we are often in a position where we face the challenge of offering the support to those affected. This 10th Pan-African Conference is built on the Abidjan Conference, during which we explored new and innovative ways of investing in
Chingaki echecho nigo abarai abo mubazimio bagende tukaba bakomochia serikali ya sekeri batebire nigo obogima bogende tukaba kengera abakenya kubwatekana no gukina kwerigori iriya mabuta gati yabo na omochumbe anene be constituency ya Westland timu Wanyonyi asomiga anyara koba gwikirana bwa masabo nyara koba korekana ase kanisa ya jeshi la wokofu imensemo ya Kangemi ase boigo arokanira komomochia omowaziri bo bonchereria Moses Kuria asingwana ya bwango iganyara kobaga kubwatekana ane no gukina kwerigori iriya mabuta nonye nabo ni gotimu Wanyonyi nyare kobaga kumuboria omorai bwense Dr. William Ruto anyare kobaga kumutenenia emeremo limorioka Moses Kuria kubwatekana nengwana yaye iyo anene kubwatekana nere atebire nigo erengete gochaya abakenya bali bekerango yaise.
Sisi watu wa Kenya kwa wakati huu mmeona hali penye tumepelekwa. Kuna serikali ambayo badala ya kufanyia watu kazi yao ni wanatusomea sisi kila siku. Wanakaa katika vyombo za habari wanatusomea. Umesikia waziri akisema kama unalia mafuta imepanda, enda uchimbe kisima chako. Huyo ni mtu anataka akuwe serikali? Na sisi tunasema hivi, any minister who is misbehaving, we shall impeach him. Sawa sawa? Tutaambia President Ruto, if you will not fire that guy, we have the power to initiate the impeachment of that minister. And we shall do it, we are not joking. Sawa sawa? Mutume watu, mumewapikia kura, waenda wafanye kazi, na hao masiri hakuna mtu aliwapikia kura. Hao ni wafanyikazi wa president. They were not employed by people of Kenya. Sawa sawa? If they misbehave and the president does not fire them, we shall fire them.
Mimona sana kubwatekana roboti oruaye omobunge bwe constituency ya Westland timu Wanyonyi mwancho muligireria na otoko yakera omosmari Amayia senchiro bwikiranu emaragoba ya bono Ensa Eyemo nganatika gote bikurwali omochakano lituko lia Jumanne wiki yenigo ekigambero ekenegia Supreme kenyara kobage kona chabene na gwanchera na ogochaki wa wekiombe anene kiabanto baria babwate gose babwate yase kiombekerie koronga kelia kiabanto baria anene babwate obwamate gose bagokora obwamate na abantu baria anene banyate koba bakubikana nyene musacha no mongina nengana yanyare koba ekoreta amabirira barayibe kanisa banyara koba wesoke batabire iyo nige kogenda mamincha anene na ebuko goseringana ryo monene barayibande banyare koba gosegeta batabire Richiko nigo libwenete anene gosira kera oyomo bwa Kenya nege kogere maragoba ya bono tubate omogeni oito talionde nigakoro kwa Pastor Peter Murwabe oyo togochikoba togotwara amonere engwana ya bene emaragoba ya bono igoro ya engane yo nganyara kobage kubwato kwa gose ko etigwa amoneke gambero ekenene bunere botambe wetera se namba yesimi iyirega gwa se studio nerora nyara kobogo sangali buliriago gose kerengere kiago amona inte nabo wetera se mitandao ya ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital nabo wetera asensemelia YouTube Ndizi TV News igotoko genda se omotimo koromoke kegima kulinde kirango na nande amono muganione Pastor Peter Murwabe rintura kwanera engane yo emaragoba ya bono ryo genda tokoba kwene kebuna chibicha mane ryo ginchigo chereta senchira yo bikirana emaragoba ya bono nigakoro kwa bigari nyancha militera ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi ngochande segeka getali getambe